In a corner quite dim of a room not so grand stood Larry the lamp, the brightest in the land. With a shade for a hat and a bulb for a nose, he'd light up the night from his head to his toes. Now Larry was known for his jokes and his pranks, playing tricks on the furniture, joining their ranks. He'd flicker and flutter, pretending to die, then flash back to life with a bright, cheeky eye. "Oh, Larry," they'd scold, "you're quite the jest." But Larry just laughed, thinking he knew best. "I'm here to light up your world," he'd proclaim. "With a flip of my switch, I'll set shadows aflame." But one day, oh dear, his bulb went kaput. Larry the lamp was no longer afoot. The room turned dark, the furniture sighed. "Without our friend's light, it feels like we've died." So they gathered around with a plan so bright to restore their friend Larry back to the light. A new bulb they brought, the brightest they'd found, and screwed it in gently without making a sound. When Larry awoke, oh how he did shine! His light was so brilliant, it felt like a sign. "I've missed you all," he gleamed with glee. "Now let's light up this room, just you wait and see." From that moment on, Larry's gleam was unmatched. His pranking nature, oh, it still hatched. He dimmed down low, whispering ghostly tales, then light up with a pop, scaring chairs into whales. One night in jest, he shone a bright lime green, turning the room into a spooky scene. The sofa shrieked, the rug tried to hide, while Larry chuckled, beaming with pride. Next he flashed patterns, stripes, and dots, hosting a disco for pans and for pots. The kitchenware danced, the silverware twirled. In Larry's light show, a magical world. But then came the trick, his masterpiece of fun. Larry pretended to be the sun, rising at midnight, giving a day's glow, confusing the cat, making the clock slow. "Oh, Larry, what mischief will you conjure tonight?" laughed the bookshelf, holding stories tight. But Larry just twinkled, a plan in his beam to light up their world, a luminous dream. So remember, dear kids, when you switch on the light and your room's bathed in warmth, banishing the night, think of Larry the lamp with his pranks and his glow, lighting up life with a spectacular show. For a lamp's not just a lamp in Larry's grand tale, but a friend and a jester, living a bright trail. So dance and let your imagination take flight in the brilliant adventures of Larry's light. The end.
In a corner quite dim of a room not so grand, stood Larry the lamp, the brightest in the land. With a shade for a hat and a bulb for a nose, he'd light up the night from his head to his toes. Now Larry was known for his jokes and his pranks, playing tricks on the furniture, joined their ranks. He'd flicker and flutter, pretending to die, then flash back to life with a bright, cheeky eye.